What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel, man. If it's your first time here, definitely appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, man. Let's interact on there as well. Now, enough with all the intros and the chit chat. Let's get straight to it, man. Now, if you know me, if you really know me, you know that I'm a Maniere fan, bro. And we're gonna get into the rest of the Maniere collection at the end of this video. But right here we have the most recent iteration into the Maniere collection, the Ma Maniére Jordan 4. The tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Violet Ore, Medium Ash, and Black. This is a size 12, you feel me? Personal. I definitely doubled up on these, man. Maniere, y'all already know. Y'all already know. Wish y'all could feel this box. I know you can see the speckles on there, but it's actually like, I guess embossed into the box. So you can like actually feel the speckles on the box. Has that Ma Maniére logo right there, and also the Jordan logo as well. Of course, Ma Maniére is using their signature sleeve, man. They've been using this joint for all of their releases, man. Super clean, got the A logo all the way around. This is one of my more favorite sleeves. Now, everybody's been doing them lately, but this is one of my favorite ones. It's basic, but the white and clear, man, just looks really good. The A all the way around looks really good on it. Definitely one of my favorites. Getting into the box, man, it has the Flight on the top, Ma Maniére on the side, both sides actually. Has the Ma Maniére and Jordan Air logo right there on the front. Let's get into the shoes, man. Open the box top, you can see they have the Ma Maniére with the Jordan hitting that shot over Utah, I believe, and him doing his little jump celebration. Super clean box. They always kill it with the details, man. Maniere, James Whitner, the team, man, y'all be doing y'all thing. Like I said, y'all know, if you know me, you know I'm a Maniere fan. Big time. Big time. They have the Ma Maniére white box paper as always. Nothing different with the packaging, but I mean, different box, but same details with the sleeve and with the packaging and with the tissue paper. And here we have the Ma Maniére Jordan 4, man. You have that like purple, kind of like ashy purple type of vibe all the way around the violet ore, suede all the way around the upper. Same color on the shoestrings, sail in black on that midsole, sail in maroon on that outsole, man. Super clean. The left shoe has the A for Ma Maniére on the front of it on the tongue. The right shoe actually has the Jumpman on the tongue like a regular pair of Jordan 4s. On the back of the heel tab, the one detail everybody keeps showing, man, it actually says it's not about the shoes. On the right shoe, on the left one, it says it's about where you're going. Super dope detail, always dope messaging, always dope storytelling when you're dealing with James Whitner and the Maniere team. Super clean, man, super clean. The inside, not sure if you can see that really well, but the inside is quilted like they always do on the 1s, 2s, and 3s. They all have their quilted silk inside, man. Super clean, man. The tongue is a little different than any other Jordan 4. It's like they didn't want to round it off for photo or do any closing, so it's like a raw edge on the top of that tongue, and even around the ankle collar, it's like a raw edge where they just stitch together the suede and the quilted sock liner, man. But super clean still, super clean. Have that same Ma Maniére Jordan hang tag that is used on the Jordan 2s as well. Nike Air on the back. Everybody loves the Nike Air, man. Can't go wrong with it. I do wish they did one with the A on the back, with the Ma Maniére logo on the back, heel tab, and then one with the Nike Air. Not complaining, but that would have been a super duper dope touch if you ask me. Another nice little detail they have on the back right here. It has like that metal button like you will see on a pair of jeans or something. It has the A, the Ma Maniére logo. Super clean shoe, man, super clean shoe. The one thing that I do worry about this shoe is it has like a sensitive type of like suede or nubuck, similar to like the baby blue Travis 4s. They look really good, but if anyone has that Travis 4 and it's actually worn them and put a few miles on them, they start to look like ashy-ish. I don't know if I just made up a word, but they start to look a little ashy once you wear them, man. And that blue no longer just pops like it is when you very first get them. So I have 2 pair of Travis Scott 4s. 1 pair I've worn maybe like 5 or 6 times, just because I know that blue is sensitive. You drop anything on it, it's gonna stain. It's just that blue is just really sensitive. So this material and this suede on here gives me that same vibe as the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. My only other critique would be I wish they did like wax lacing. It just kind of would give it that luxury look, man, just to go with the rest of the shoe. But I don't really have any serious complaints, but I do wish they had wax laces. And I also wish they gave us a pair of cell laces. I'm probably gonna take a pair of cell laces out of my 3s or out of my Maniere 2s, put them in here. I've really been seeing pictures like on social media, Instagram, Twitter, people putting the cell laces in there, and they look really good like that. But right now, man, before I've really written down my list and actually did thinking and really start comparing shoes, this is my early, I'm not gonna say early because it's the end of the year, but this is my, without doing really too much thinking, this is my shoe of the year right now, man. It may change. I do like the Chicago Lost and Found. It's a classic colorway, and it's definitely gonna be in my top 3. But I don't know, man. I don't know. It's something about this shoe, bro. Something about this shoe. This gives us the chance to own something similar to the purple Travis 4. I know people like hate comparing colorways, but this is a crazy pair of 4s, man, that you don't really get this quality on the Jordan 4 like that. And I've been seeing a lot of people complain about the quality control on this pair, saying they had like glue marks and bad stitching around the heel tab. But me personally, I don't have any flaws on this pair. It's a little wrinkled on the toe box, so I guess that's a one imperfection, but I have to check my other pair as well. I don't really see anything too bad on here, anything too bad. I actually met James Whitner like a few weeks ago, and he had a pair of 4s on. And then I saw these at SneakerCon as well at Private Selections table. So I've been looking at them for a while now. So when that release came up, it was no problem for me, man. A lot of people were complaining about how they did their raffle. They usually do like an in-store raffle at all of their locations, the APB, Prosper, Social Status, and Maniere. They usually do an in-store raffle. People go in, sign up, they verify you with your ID. And most of the time, people here, they take care of the in-store raffle people. But this time they decided to do a video raffle. I mean, it was right around midterm election time, and they said to make a video about issues that you face. And a lot of people gave it backlash because they felt like it wasn't a good idea to mix sneakers and politics. But he didn't really say name a political issue. He just said name an issue that you're dealing with. But I guess once he said tag your state and local representatives and tag your local news stations, it did kind of look political. But at the same time, man, why not? Why not? If you really want the shoe, and if you really deal with issues, and if you've been paying attention to anything James Whitner has done in the past, this just follows right along in everything that he says. If you pay attention to his free games, he's always he's a catalyst for change, man. He's always looking for something positive. He's always trying to do something bigger, do it better, and not do it the same, man. So I know the video release caused a lot of controversy, man, but I didn't see it as much of a big deal, man. I felt like if a lot of these people were trying to get these shoes, it's definitely a way just to use that and put a positive spin on it, put a positive impact on it. I don't see anything wrong with it. And I'm not just saying that because I did my video and I got a pair, but even if I didn't get a pair, I definitely would have been a little upset. I'm not gonna sit on here and lie because I did get a pair, so I can't say how I would feel if I didn't get one, but I wanted the shoe bad. So if I did my video and I didn't get a pair, I definitely would have kind of felt some type of way. I wouldn't say upset, but you know, I would have wanted my pair if I sat down and took my time out to make a video, you know, and put that out on social media, even if a lot of people were just saying like that's not a part of their brand, a part of what they're promoting on their social media and things like that. I feel it, man. I see both sides to the coin, man. I see both sides to the coin. So I don't know, but to me, it was definitely a no-brainer, man. It was just like why not, man? At the end of the day, it's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna kill you to make a video. You're not talking about nothing crazy. You're talking about something that can impact someone else. Start a conversation that can impact someone else. So, you know, it was kind of like, why not for me? But back to the shoes, man. Just a couple of looks at these details, man. Inside this one says it's not about the shoes. Hopefully that clears up and you can see that. And this one says it's about where you're going, man. So some super nice details on the shoe. Like I said, that suede upper all the way around. And outside of that, man, my favorite detail of the shoe would have to be the insole. Has that quilted maroon insole all the way around. Super nice. With the Maniere tag says, Ma Maniére, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in history. Holiday 2022. And the Michael Jordan signature. It's a super dope touch, man. They always come through clutch on the details and on the materials, man. And I really like this shoe a lot. But like I said earlier, man, I'm a big fan of Maniere. I got a bunch of their collabs in the collection. I believe they've done like 8 collabs with Nike or Jordan brand. I'm on Maniere specifically. I know Social Status done a couple as well, but speaking about Maniere, they've done like 8 collabs with Nike or Jordan brand, and I have 7 of those, man. The last one was this Jordan 4, of course. The first collab that I got my hands on was the hand wash code Air Force 1 pack. This is the low. I'm on Maniere on the heel, plus leather insole. Really nice leather and suede all the way around with that really nappy suede on the Nike shoes. It's probably my favorite detail about this shoe. Has that iridescent lace holder on the front, iridescent lace tips. And this pair was numbered to 5,269 pairs. This pair is number 2477 out of 5269, man. So definitely love these. The hand wash code, man, it just goes right along with the Maniere theme of luxury and high fashion, man. You know, you get some of those high value and precious garments, you hand wash code, tumble dry low. Had a lot of those symbols on the box, man. Just basically just saying treat with care when you have these expensive items. This one is super clean, the low. But my favorite out of the Air Force 1 pack was definitely the high, man. It has the same kind of details, but I like that pony hair swoosh on this one. The strap is like made out of like, if you ever had like trading cards, it feels like it's like holographic. Has 3M on the back with the A. Has the same iridescent lace lock, iridescent lace holder on the front. And this pair was numbered as well to 5,914 pairs. I have pair 1,136, man. Super clean. This is definitely my favorite. It has that leather inside as well. Really nice suede on the back. Really nice leather. Just a really premium shoe. This is probably the most premium shoe out of everything that they've released. A lot of people are just getting on the hype of Jordan brand and weren't really interested in the Air Force 1s. But if you're talking about premium, you're talking about quality, the Air Force 1, man, hands down. Now, after the Air Force 1s, the first Jordan they did was the Ma Maniére Jordan 3. This pair is super clean. This is everyone's favorite. This was last year's shoe of the year. It has that white and gray, really nice gray suede, like the cause type of suede. It has that the same purple like on the 4s with that sail and that white on the midsole. The cream on the back with the Nike Air tab. And this one has a mesh on the inside of both heel tabs as well, just like the 4s does. And it has that nice quilted inside, super nice, with the gray quilt on this one, man. This is everyone's favorite, man. I love this 3. This is my favorite of the Jordans, but I think it's still behind the Air Force 1s for me. The quality and the material on the Air Force 1s is just crazy, man. But everybody loves Jordan more than the Air Force 1s, but super dope, the Maniere 3. After the Maniere 3, they went ahead and did the Maniere Air Jordan 1. This one has the same swag with the silk sock liner and quilted sock liner, man. Cracked leather all the way around. That maroon snake skin really looks good on this shoe. Nice hang tag. This one came with maroon laces and sail laces, and it has the Nike Air and Ma Maniére co-branding on the tongue, man. Super clean, man. I like the ones a lot. My only dislike of the ones would be the flaps. I just don't like that. Just like on the Off-White series, it makes you have to take the laces up to this top hole. For me, it makes me do that because I just don't like them flapping when your pants sitting on top of them. And it's just not a good look for me. But the overall shoe is super clean, man. The Maniere Jordan 1. After the Maniere Jordan 1, they went ahead and did a Jordan 2. Everyone was doing Jordan 2s this year. Maniere, Union, Nina Chanel. You seeing a bunch of different collabs on the Jordan too. They're really trying to force that model on us now, which is cool. I like the Chicago's, but a lot of the collabs just weren't really for me. But this one is crazy. This one looks the most luxury out of all of the Maniere Jordans. I believe for me it's that snakeskin midsole that really makes it look super duper luxurious. But this model is definitely the most, has the best materials and like the most luxury feel to it. Has that Maniere on the back. It still has that same quilted insole, but in black on this one. It comes with black laces already laced, sail, and then a maroon lace as well. So this one is super clean. I probably take the laces out of the 2s or the 3s and throw inside my Maniere 4s. But definitely super dope, super dope. For the 2s, man, they went ahead and dropped a quick strike, like a really limited run of these Ma Maniére airships. Now this shoe didn't really receive that that signature Maniere luxury detail and materials and treatment like the rest of the collabs have, but it's still solid, man. I like the airship, I like the model. I don't like majority white shoes like that, but anything Maniere does, I try to get my hands on and keep. I'm just a really big fan of the brand, a fan of James Whitner, and just the stories and the products that he put out, man. Now this shoe was limited to 2,300 pairs. This is pair 2,067. So there weren't many of these, man. They did do in-store raffles for these, but they just wasn't able to give out as many W's because, like I said, it's limited to 2,300 pairs, man. But a lot of people didn't really love the airship anyway, so I mean, I guess it was a good model to keep limited, but solid shoe for me. Just a really nice collection piece. And as I mentioned earlier, man, a couple of weeks ago, I actually met James Whitner. He and the VP of Jordan Brand came to TSU. I went to Texas Southern, and they did a free game event, and I actually got him to sign the box for this Maniere airship pair. And I actually gave both of those guys the TSU hats that we sell, myself and Young Kings Clothing. So that was just a super dope interaction, man. He was really quick to lend a helping hand and offer his space and his storage for pop-ups for the brand, because we do a lot of HBCU stuff. So it was a super dope experience, man. It's my first time being able to meet him in person. I've seen a lot of free game episodes when they do it on Zoom and things like that, so I feel like I kind of know him, even though I don't know him, but I feel like I kind of knew him before then. But just meeting him in person, like the icing on the cake. So like I said, I got this pair signed, so this is a 100% collection piece, man. Definitely won't be going anywhere anytime soon. He signed, thanks for the support, and he signed his signature, bro. So super dope pair, Maniere airship, white and royal. I just wish they would have gave these like that super duper luxury treatment. But other than that, man, still super dope, bro. Still super dope. But overall, man, that just about wraps up this video. You've seen the Ma Maniére 4, the newest iteration to the Maniere Jordan and Nike collabs. You've seen the Air Force 1s, the Jordan 3s, Jordan 2s, airships. Let me know which one is your favorite, man. Did you only want the 1, 2s, 3s, and 4s? Are you still looking for the Air Force 1s and the airships, or are you just good with these, man? I know there's rumors of them having a Jordan 5 come. I know it's confirmed that they're gonna do a Jordan 12. A black pair that's kind of like the Flu Games, but with maroon, with the Maniere maroon. They're gonna do a white cherry pair, but with the Maniere maroon instead of red. I'm more inclined for the white pair. I like the leather on it compared to the suede or the black pair, but I'll probably grab both just to finish the collection, man. But either way it goes, man, I hope they just continue to drop heat. If they do drop Jordan 5s, man, it is one of my favorite models. The black metallic 5 in particular, so hopefully they drop some heat. If they do a Jordan 5, I'd be happy to see that. But other than that, man, it just about wraps it up for this one, man. Until next time, on the next video, peace.